It's Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick actionable tips. So let's get started with W for Writesonic. This AI-powered writing assistant helps generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content quickly. Writesonic empowers over 6 million teams, agencies, and individuals and is backed by over 15,000 five-star reviews. The solution is endorsed by leading organizations including Harvard University, Mercedes-Benz, Neil Patel. You can use any of the predefined templates here to create SEO-optimized blog posts by entering just a few prompts. Tip 2. Every organization has their own way of communicating, and with the tone changer, this helps you match different brand voices like witty or encouraging. Tip 3. Be specific when you're providing prompts to Writesonic. Use formatting, give examples, get better results from the AI and the results generated. You can give a list of bullet points, lists, headings. This structure helps the AI to follow along and give you the type of content you're looking for. Tip 4, integrate with other tools. If you click on the settings, it automatically integrates with WordPress and 5,000 different applications through the Zapier integration. Tip 5, use the outline generator. So you can generate detailed outlines with headings and subheadings in Writesonic, and this will keep your content flow and structure very organized. Tip 6, use the advanced instructions within Writesonic to customize your outputs. Advanced instructions provide additional context like word count, keywords, links to references, and this allows you to tailor the output to your needs. And bonus tip 7, try different models. Writesonic offers multiple AI models with different writing styles. Get a free demo of Writesonic by clicking the link below this video or going to softwareoasis.com/Writesonic. If you found our tips helpful, help us out by writing or sharing our channel. Whether you can help us reach 1 new subscriber or 1 million, your support is appreciated.